That's the first English-speaking countries: Australia, that's Canada, Nastachin Einachche, and then Sassen, okay, England, Alba, everybody knows where Alba is, okay. Achimeri, Wales, yeah. Erin, obviously.
Ireland.
Okay, we're into Europe now. And Etelch, and the language they speak there, Etelchish. Anybody knows this one? And Etelch.
Is it German?
Italy, the language is Etelchish, Italian.
Yeah.
Okay. And Frangish.
France.
And French. Geramelchish.
This is Germany.
Yes, it is. Geramelchish. Okay. Ooh, Mari. An orange. Hanari, Fura has an orange. Duitsis. That's Dutch as a language.
I didn't even know.
Duitsis. And Spanish. Okay, Spain and Spanish is a language, and Spanish. Okay, so these are all the countries. I didn't include that many. So now places to stay when you travel. Hostel. Tenta. Tayosta. All of you will be familiar with this one. Tayosta. Means hotel and the pub. At the same time. Well, there is a word for a pub, but well, unless it's a separate building, which doesn't actually happen very much. So it's still Tayosta. Lati is brachtgest.
A bed and breakfast.
Yeah. Okay. Transfer. Erevata ashik. So you go somewhere by ferry. Erevas. Sahar. Erflena. Erentrena. That everybody should know that. Does everybody know this? Yeah, it's easy enough. Or a bicycle. So if you just go cycling, it's a follower a bicycle. But yeah, well, why not? It's still mode of transport. Okay, now I included some time expressions as well. Ambliana means this year. Anavliana, next year. Anuri, it's last year. And Anuashin, this means then. This is your kit for speaking about traveling. Okay, so our son, Dala or Fat Dala. You wouldn't hear Fat Dala very often, but that's the correct thing. So our son Dala, you're going somewhere for 2 days, okay? So if you're staying somewhere, then you say Fat Dala. That's the difference, okay? So in English, there is no difference for 2 days. Okay, but in Gaelic there is. So if you're going somewhere, then it's person, dala. If you're staying there, then that's fad, dala. Okay? As I say, no, not very many people use this, but that's the correct Gaelic way. Okay? Adol how harish.